Boy J Cruz, aka the Audio Cat, man. I come with something a little bit different, man. I'm very appreciative of everybody around me, to be honest with you. But there's one person that's always stood out, and that's been my partner, my ride or die, my everything, my wife, Edita. As y'all know, man, we've been married now for almost 8 years, and she's truthfully been a blessing in my life. She's got a tough character, but that's also straightened out my life. And us as men, sometimes we don't want to accept that. But if you have a woman that just lets you do whatever you want to, sometimes it doesn't really build you to the best you possible. So I did something special for this weekend of Valentines. I went ahead and rented a beautiful room for us at the Virgin Hotel in downtown Dallas. And I wasn't gonna vlog this, man, but you know what? I mean, I'm gonna give credit where credit's due and also show you guys another side of me. You know, I am very grateful for those people that God has put around me, man. But on this day, I'm gonna talk about my wife. So I went and just bought some flowers. I bought a bunch of stuff, as you can see back there. But the stuff I bought, I got it because I'm gonna go to the room and just do something, an extra touch for her. I'm gonna go set up the room today and make it very beautiful. It's something minor, but it's something that's so major, because sometimes it's more the thought that counts than you could go buy a whatever, but sometimes more the thought that counts, guys. So for my wife on this beautiful day, I went ahead and I'm taking a little bit. All right, cruise. So like I told you guys earlier, man, I'll do something special for my wife. I already checked into the hotel here at the Virgin Motels. It's actually a beautiful room. I'm gonna walk y'all around. It is actually a really amazing, beautiful designer, modern touch hotel. The furniture, everything is awesome, man. Everything looks great. This is the master suite right here. We have, wow, what a big thing here. Oh my God, look at this, y'all. Look at this here, man, but it's nice. Look at it. Everything is actually pretty nice. It's a beautiful hotel, but the beautifulest thing is here, man, that when we're hanging out tonight, we'll be able to look at downtown Dallas, man. Now that is worth it. Like, you can literally, turn off the lights in the room, Poppy, so I can show them everything that's over there. Like, there's a switch somewhere.
You can control all this.
Oh man, look at the switches on this thing. Look at this, y'all. I got beautiful downtown Dallas all right here in front of me, y'all. So now I gotta get busy and get everything. Bro, I gotta stop. Look at that lamp. This is actually really cool, man. But now I gotta get everything situated, man, and get it done to make it nice and beautiful for my wife and personalize it. I'll be right back. A bit of extra time and do something very special for a very special woman. Edita Cruz, as you watch this video, I'll tell you publicly, I love you with my life, my heart, my soul. You are the greatest gift that God has ever blessed me with, and I just want to tell you I appreciate you and I'm grateful for you, and I just hope you enjoy this day. For my YouTube family, I'm just gonna celebrate her today, and I'm gonna show y'all the process. So I'm gonna go in a few and go get the room set up for us and show you what we're doing today. So stay tuned, man, and we celebrate Valentine's Day for my Valentine, my wife. All right, Cruz, I'm gonna give y'all an update and show you guys exactly what I've done to the room. I put some flower petals on the floor for her. So when she comes in here, she got the nice effect. I actually got, you turn off all the lights over there. I set up this table here with some little desserts and stuff we can knick-knack on. I got flower petals everywhere. Give a little area here for her. Got flower petals over here. Got flowers all over the place, man, including the bed. There's some flowering for her. Give her roses there in the middle. Some more flowers over here. Chocolates everywhere, so she can delight in her chocolates. I got candles that I'm gonna light up. Went ahead and got the big Valentine balloon set up. The bathroom next to the shower. We're gonna have all those little candles that you see back there lit up. And this is what it's gonna be, y'all. So I'm hoping that she really gets to enjoy this, man. It's something that she deserves. She's been great to me. And I do this because she deserves it. So I think when you're watching this video, I love you, girl. I hope you enjoyed this day. Y'all stay tuned to see what her reaction is gonna be. We finally got here, man, to the Virgin Hotel. As you can tell here, man, I got Mrs. Audio Cat up in the building. We flew over here literally, man. Today, baby, I got a little surprise for you today, and I just want you to enjoy it. And we'll continue, then I'll give you all the rest on there, man. Hi, honey, so welcome to your Valentine's Day.
Hello.
Great. The restaurant's right over here, baby. Let's just go have a little bit of time and just spend some time together. I'll be back with you in a minute. Got us at the restaurant, man. This is actually a beautiful restaurant. Y'all can tell here, man. We're over here in downtown Dallas, man, and we are having a blast. Mrs. Audio Cat, how are you feeling so far?
Baby, don't put me on blast.
I want you to be on blast. Take off your mask so we can see your beautiful face.
No, I don't want to be put on blast.
Let me put on blast, just talk to us. Tell us how you're feeling.
Baby, I don't want to be put on blast.
Happy Valentine's Day. Yeah, we're about to order some food. I'll be back with you in a minute.
You know I'm surprised and shocked when I have nothing to say.
Yeah.
Okay, well, Normally, I'm the one that gives him surprises and be romantic. Let's see how good he did.
I tell you, I think you're gonna be surprised, Cruise Crew. I don't know, man. I don't know if your boy Jay still got it, but we're about to find out if we get that figured out later. So stay tuned. Look, I'm gonna bring y'all up to date, man. We just ordered something and it was phenomenal. What do you gotta say about that? It was some crab and avocado.
I think
with
it's
some
pretty
chips.
messed up that he
That right
actually logged in when it's all gone. You guys should have seen.
I mean, I didn't. When I got the plate here, y'all, I couldn't just share it with y'all because I was sharing that meal. But that was
Oh my
amazing.
God,
I really
it was.
tell you, I will be back to this restaurant.
I will be back just for this plate.
I will
so
be
far.
back just for this appetizer, man. It's real crab leg. Not no, they give you crab leg already peeled and everything. With man, it was just phenomenal. I tell you right now.
I'm about to lick this bowl.
Yeah, but we're having a good time. We just actually chit-chatting and like I was telling y'all, sometimes it's breaking the normal stuff to make things separate and make it different, right? And we got busy life, we work every day, we got kids we deal with, we got family, we got church, we got our jobs, and sometimes we get carried away. So I wanted to dedicate this day to doing something different and being with you and spending something away from the kids, number one. Sorry guys, I love y'all, but just away from the kids, away from the home, away from the routine, because sometimes we don't really get to enjoy our time together. We're so busy, you know what I'm saying? You understand what I'm saying? That we're so busy sometimes that we don't get to enjoy our time, and I wanted to do something where we just could be me and you and enjoy our company, just have some talking time and do whatever we want to together like we did when we used to date. And I just want to have a date night, but not a regular date night. I want to have a date night. Like, I just want to be friends. I told her, listen, today, let's pull out the pillows, let's pillow fight.
No, you don't understand. I just told him a little bit ago, let me find out you're trying to practice on your little swag like you used to. Because he's been romancing me ever since I got here.
You know what I'm saying? But it's not the point of romancing her, guys. You know what? The point is that when you deserve it, you get it. And you deserve it, so I'm giving it to you. That's just the way it goes. Sometimes I might get carried with my daytime, and I might not call my wife every day and tell her I love her. I might not give my emotions how much I appreciate her. And unfortunately, because we were for holidays and we have to do it, but this holiday's here, and I took advantage of this one to the fullest. I made this one a very special one because she's a very special woman. Y'all know she's always by me, man. And this is something I'm gonna share with y'all on YouTube. When I was searching for my wife, I was looking for a partner. I didn't want a wife, I wanted a partner. And Jay-Z came out with that song, On the Run, and my phone talking to me, man. She getting jealous over there. But anyway, y'all, the thing is that I prayed and God gave me what I was asking for. I got a ride or die, man. You know what I'm saying? And I'm grateful for it. And I just ask that God keeps on blessing us and helping us, and helps us just to make those years together.
Why are you trying to make me cry?
I'm not trying to make you cry, honey.
You're right now, I'm emotional.
I'm not trying to make you cry. I'm just telling you that I'm grateful, man. God, I'm gonna tell you one thing. Y'all see what God has done with me with YouTube and what we got in the shop building. But the biggest gift God gave me was my wife. I wouldn't be able to accomplish half the things that I have without her. She pushes me to be a better man. She pushes me to be the man that I never thought I was gonna be, and I'm gonna keep on getting better with God's will first. But I just wanna thank you for everything. I appreciate you dealing with me. And that's just the beginning, y'all. Stay tuned. The meal has landed. What do you gotta say about the meal?
Oh, I can't wait to
Should I show them?
Yeah, I think so.
So this is what the plate looks like. Shrimp steak. They got some fries. Got the salmon over there with the things over there. She got her mashed potatoes. Guys, we're about to munch out. Hold on. We're about to more than munch out. We're about to get busy on this food here and enjoy this, man. So I'll be back with y'all in a minute, man. But thank y'all for sharing this experience with me. So all I can tell you at this point in time is the food was phenomenal. It was actually very, very well made, orchestrated, taste, flavor. Babe, what you gotta say about the food?
Oh my God, well, let's just look at our plates. That says it
Would you
all.
come back?
Yes.
Guys, we're gonna be back to this restaurant. It is really good. I really found a nice new favorite restaurant in downtown Dallas that I will be coming to. But today I'm just spending my time with my lovely lady and giving some time to her. So now we're gonna go enjoy some personal time and see how she feels about the surprises. No, y'all can't come with us, but y'all gonna come see at least the entry. Y'all be back in a minute. We're about to take some pictures of it with my wifey, but it's really a beautiful place, man. I've actually enjoyed it a lot. I will definitely be back to this place and enjoying a good time, y'all. Having a good time, man. I'm having a good time, man. It's actually a very beautiful experience
Oh my
here.
God, that was so cute, guys. Did you see that?
No, they did. And show what you're talking about, baby.
Oh my God.
So you got this little
we
place.
took some pictures right
You can
there.
take pictures here, man, and enjoy this thing together with your views, man. It's actually really cool. Just stay tuned for the views and y'all see exactly what's going on. They got a whole little hangout area. It's actually a really beautiful place, y'all. I'm gonna be back to this hotel 100%. Only with you, I promise. But
Yeah, you don't want to die.
but besides that, y'all, we're gonna just go have some much time and keep on doing our thing. Modern and crazy stuff. But I got a question for y'all. What do y'all think about the look of this chair? What do y'all think about that there, y'all? How do y'all think that?
I don't know about
I don't know about that one. That looked kind of funny there, y'all. But we're about to take my wife to check up her room and surprise her out. So give me a second. We went out so much for Valentine's Day that even the elevator's up in red. What do you think about red glow, red everything? You like this, baby?
Yes.
Are you having a good time?
This is not just red because it's Valentine's, right?
This can be red for whatever, but it's red because of you, baby. This is all that matters is because of you. But look, even got a red 9 over here. And now we are headed to our suite. And it was funny because when we were coming in, Isaac was wondering why they say rocks. And we figured out that means ice. Yeah, it says rocks over there. We thought it was like a special room or something. But it actually means rocks. You see this? That's where you find the ice. But anyway, babe.
What?
Hold on a second. Stay tuned. All right, guys, I just finished lighting up there. Let's get her in here. Who is it? Mrs. Cruz, how are you doing today? Come on in. You're very, very welcome to your place.
Oh, look at my baby got skills. Where you learn all this from, sweetheart?
Just being in love, girl. Just being in love. So I gave you a trail, walking you down to your before event, where we have some nuts, some cheese, and we obviously have some fruits there and some candies and stuff there.
I got some bling blings.
You got some bling bling because you are my diamond. I'm getting all my points, guys. And then we have a little when we're chilling, we're gonna have some chocolate while we're playing games or whatever. We got that. And then we have a beautiful view. Now I want you to come over here and look at this. Look at the view.
Oh my God, it's gorgeous.
Can I tell you something? As beautiful as this view is, and that building right there, if where me and you went and we got engaged, right there. But even though this is beautiful, it's not as beautiful as you are.
Oh, baby, stop being so romantic.
It's not romantic. It's the truth. I can't tell you. I don't have eyes for nothing but my wife. I'm very grateful. Then we come down this way, honey, and we have the master suite.
Oh, Mimi.
Which I want to make sure you have flowers everywhere you step on.
Sweet.
Everywhere you go, you have to have petals underneath your feet because you deserve to be pampered, and that's what that means to me. Then we got little flowers that I got you here.
Baby, where you got these from?
And everyone here tells you, look.
My best little things for Valentine's when I was
Best
little.
friend, cool kid, everything that we needed right there. Then we have our flowers right here, honey. I got candles and chocolates on both sides. Then we start walking down the suite. And that turns on normally, but I took that down. I got you some balloons. Where's she at? She just said, oh, she over there looking at the vanities and stuff, but I got you some balloons over here.
Oh,
I got a little place. I'm gonna hook this up for you in a few minutes with some bubbles and get you nice and relaxed. Some nice candles. They killed it on this shower. They killed it with the shower. Like, this is really an amazing thing, y'all.
This is gorgeous.
That is a beautiful
Oh my God,
thing.
everything in there is red too.
Like, it's
Oh my
gorgeous.
God, look at this door. That door is really nice.
And then look, when you're coming in here, honey, you can just have it as a background light. And then you can also have this one as a background light. This is the man's office here. You don't need this. This is my office.
The man's
That's my man's office. And then over here, you can also close this and have the lights on and have a little background.
Yes, they knew what they were doing when they put this together.
You know what I'm saying? And again, guys, happy Valentine's Day. You are my Valentines. You are my friend, my wife, my soulmate, my everything. God has blessed me. God gave me you.
Oh, baby.
And, you know, that's all I can say. So it's a little token that I could do of appreciation for everything you do for us, man. So I love you. And she is enjoying. You're all good to go. How you feel, baby?
All right, let's get down.
Anyway, y'all, at this point in time, I spent some time with my wife, but I just wanted to share y'all along this adventure. Sometimes, guys, we lose the touch of what we have to do for our wives. And this was a moment of me getting back on balance and doing what I have to do. But I'm gonna go and hang out with my wife, so y'all be good, y'all be blessed. Just finished the evening. My wife is full of flowers, full of roses, and she's full of other things. Emotions. But anyway, y'all.
I hope you're gonna cut that part.
No. Anyway, guys, this is, we've had a beautiful, how was your evening? Did you have a good Valentine's Day?
Yes, it was amazing.
Beautiful?
Yes.
You had a good time?
Yes.
Did I earn points to put on my car? It's all about the cars, guys. But how you enjoyed everything? Well, y'all want to thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for the subscription. Y'all be good and God bless.
Go ahead.
All right, guys. So we just went out to eat some breakfast, and we actually made Jeff drive a different car because Isaac came to meet us. And I know my husband always be trying to put me on blast, but he knows I'm shy. I'm camera shy. But at the end of the day, I just wanted to say thank you, baby. I know he's gonna watch this video, so thank you for putting that night together. Although you didn't have to, because at the end of the day, you know, we demonstrate our love to each other on a daily basis, and that's really what counts and matters in a relationship. But you know, sometimes it's nice to do something like this, and I didn't expect it at all. Sometimes it's nice to actually just, you know, remove yourself from the everyday, you know, life, from work, the kids, you know. His side chicks, of course, they're metal. That's why I could call them side chicks. But it was nice. It was nice. I'm the type of girl that I'd rather, to me, it's those little things that count, you know, the flowers, the balloons, the chocolate. I mean, it's those little things to me that counts, and it's priceless. You know, it's the time away from the stress, the meets, the cars, the shop, my job, you know, that matters. So again, thank you so much, my love. I loved it. I could not have asked for anything better for Valentine's. So again, thank you.